You've probably looked at all the apps in the Roku App Store, but did you know there are secret apps that aren't in the App Store that you can install if you know the right codes? I'm going to take you through step by step how to install these apps, and if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll show you some of the best places to find these app codes. Tech it before you wreck it. What's up, geeks? I'm Kirk, and this is really cool. It's a lot different than sideloading apps on an Android TV box, for example, because this doesn't involve files. It simply involves finding the right codes and then knowing how to use those codes, because these are apps you will not find in the Roku app channel. So let me jump right into it and start with step one. In your home screen, the first thing you want to do is find out which account you've used to log into your Roku box, because you probably would have set this up when you first set up your Roku box or Roku TV and you may have forgotten, but simply go down to the settings option, tap over and go all the way down to the system option, and then tap over and the first option should be about. And then notice on the bottom here, it says the name of my stick, Roku Streaming Stick Plus, and then it's got my email address. Well, that email address is actually the account that I've used to log into this Roku box. So make sure you use that login when we go to step number 2. And step number 2 is actually on my.roku.com. So you've got to go to a web browser, go to my.roku.com. It's going to prompt you to log in. And again, you want to sign in with the email address that we just showed you previously that we discovered on our box, because we got to be logged on to this website with the same account that we're logged on to the Roku box that we're trying to access. Okay, so here we are logged on. There's a lot of different account information you can access here. There's some different features you can access here. What you want to do is go to the left-hand side to this menu here, go all the way down to the bottom, and underneath the section called Streaming Store, there's going to be an option that says Add Beta App with Code. So click on that, and it's going to give you this simple screen that says enter an app access code to add a public or beta app to your Roku account. So this is the secret here, guys. This is where you can add a code that will in turn install an app. Now, there are codes for all the apps in the App Store, and you can install those apps this way if you know those codes, but that doesn't do us any help because those are already there in the App Store. But there are also codes for apps that aren't published in the App Store, that aren't approved by Roku, but developers have created them. They just haven't gone that extra step, or maybe they got denied by the Roku App Store for one reason or another, but you can still install them if you know the actual app codes. So that begs the question, how do we find these app codes? So that can be a little tricky. There are websites out there. You could certainly Google Roku secret app codes or something along those lines. This is a website, for example, that lists the 23 best Roku private channels in 2025. You can see they go through a whole bunch of different private channels that you can install. I'm gonna go ahead and post some links for you guys down in the description of this video of some places you can start to find some of these app codes. But just to give you an example, I wanna show you how the process works, how easy it is if you have these app codes to install these secret Roku apps. For example, number 8 on this list is an iTunes podcast app, and it says the access code is ITPC. It says that you can use this to listen to some of your iTunes podcasts. Pretty cool. Now, you won't find this in the App Store on the Roku box, but I've got that code, ITPC. I'm going to go back over to that Roku page, my.roku.com, and under App Access Code, I'm going to type in ITPC, and then I'll select Add App. And you'll notice, because this is not an approved app by Roku, it's going to give you a warning saying this is a non-certified app. It's going to let you install it. It's just warning you that this app has not been approved by Roku, and you're going to want to be careful. I'm going to hit OK, I understand, and then it's going to give me the option. It'll show me the app icon here and say, do you want to install this app? And I'll hit yes, add app, and boom, there you go. That's it. That's literally the entire process. Now that we've done that, the app is being automatically installed on our Roku box or Roku TV. So what we want to do is jump back over to that. So I'm back on my home screen on my Roku box, and if I scroll down to the bottom, I should see the app that I just installed all the way on the bottom of my list. And there it is. It's called Unlisted Podcasts. And you can see as soon as I put that code in and approved it, it installed that app on my Roku box. You can see if I click on it, it'll actually start loading up the app itself, and it gives you a little bit of information here. And there it is. This is an app, a secret app that we're not supposed to know exists. We certainly can't get it in the App Store on the Roku box, but you can get it if you know the secret code to get it. Now, I do want to point out that there are a lot of threads on Reddit and online saying that this feature has been discontinued, and apparently it has. Look at this. Here's a blog from Roku in 2021. So this was, 4 or 5 years ago, saying that they are sunsetting non-certified channels, essentially removing this feature so we can no longer add beta channels the way we've been able to add them before. But as I showed you on the Roku website, the option to add these beta apps is very much still there on the Roku website when you go to my.roku.com. And I talked about finding those channels, the codes to add. This is the website that I mentioned, the 23 best hidden Roku channels, but I also found other websites. Take a look at this one. This is called 37 best private Roku channels. It provides another list of these codes to type in. Here's a Blogspot blog with a very extensive list of codes. Not sure if they all work, but certainly worth trying them out if you want to check out some of these private channels. Here's another very extensive list on Blogspot as well. This one has a ton of channels. Some of them are not necessarily safe for work, if you will, but definitely worth browsing this list because it is quite long. Every single one of those websites I just showed you, the links are down in the description, so you should be able to find those sites and find those lists for yourself. And something you'll want to do if you're looking for these channels to add, these apps to add, go to Google and search Roku private channel list, and you should find a lot of pages, a lot of Reddit threads, a lot of people talking about these private channels, and in turn giving you those codes for those private channels that you can then use the way we just used it to try to add these apps. I will say it is hit or miss. Some of the codes don't work, some of the codes work, and I found that the app will get installed, but then I click on the app in Roku and it doesn't actually load anything up. So these are beta apps. These are development apps. They're not going to be perfect, and in some cases they might not work at all. So you'll have to poke around and see what you can find. There are a ton of these beta app codes, development app codes that you can play around with. So search around, see what you find. Let me know what you think. Again, go down to the description. I've got every single link that I talked about down in the description so you can find those lists that I mentioned. You can go through and see if any of those apps are something that you might use. Do me a favor, throw a comment below. I'd love to know what your experience has been. Are these codes working for you? And most importantly, share with the group in a comment which app you found that you think is going to be the most useful on your Roku box or your Roku device. And do me an even bigger favor, in addition to throwing a comment below, subscribe to the channel. It helps me grow here on YouTube. It lets me know that you like these kinds of videos about Roku content, and it helps you find new videos that come here on my channel, including tech reviews, unboxings, hacks like you've got right here with these Roku channels, and a whole lot of other cool technology-focused videos here on Tech It Before You Wreck It. I'm Kirk.